Want to change the hyperlink color in Articulate Storyline? You're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, note that the default hyperlink color is based on your theme colors. So let's open them up and change the color. Go to the Design tab and then click on Colors. Now right-click on your current color theme and choose Edit. If the Edit option doesn't appear, we've got a workaround coming up. For now, we'll go ahead and click on Edit. Click on this box to modify the hyperlink color using theme colors, a custom color, or a hex code. I will pick one of my theme colors and click on OK. Now this change will be saved in the current color theme. The color of my hyperlink on this slide has changed, and this change also applies across the entire project. See how it affects this other slide with a hyperlink. If the option to edit doesn't show, go to the bottom of the list and click on Create New Theme Colors. Now these are the colors of the theme that was selected before. Now edit the hyperlink color like we showed you and click on OK. The new theme will be saved and selected for your project. And as you can see, the hyperlink color was again applied project-wide. One last tip. Remember, hyperlinks have different states. To modify their appearance when hovered over or visited, follow these steps. First, position your cursor within any text box. Next, click the Text Styles button on the ribbon of the Home tab. Now click on Hyperlink and then choose Modify. In the window that appears, click on the State tabs and select a text color and decoration. And there you have it. These methods allow you to effortlessly change the color of your hyperlinks in your Articulate Storyline project. If this blink-fast solution was what you were looking for, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the BlinkSolve channel for more efficient tutorials.